Num. What? Too late, bro. Okay, no problem. Hello and good morning. So I'm coming in late, and the main reason is because I'm late because I'm late today. So markets are cracking down and crapping down. We have a bad situation going on with the Qs. It's weak tops. Look, I have explained this before. Look at the okay app. Where's the apple? Here. So we will see if becomes a bounce. We have to closely watch Qs. JPM is a good long now. I'm not feeling comfortable going long, although JPM at 143.25 is a good long, and the magnitude that I'm seeing, the first magnitude that I'm seeing, I mean, there's nothing to look at. It's $1, $2 higher. But the issue is that SPY and Qs are dropping. SPY is not in a bad situation. If it closes green in 10 seconds, I go long. Let's see what happens. Let it pull back. There you go. It's just because the situation with Qs is not good. But I'm hopeful, optimistic that it's gonna pull back. SPY gonna pull back. And it's gonna rip. Then when it goes green, I'll go long. Above 447.40. CCL was hot today. In the morning it has one of the highest volumes of the market. It's not bad now. Above yesterday's high, yesterday's close, I'll go in again. See, that's why I didn't go long. Qs are cracking. I hit it twice, didn't get it. FRM below LOD, I go short. This one's half hour now. I don't like this pullback is not good. No. SPY is pushing. I received emails from what's the name? I received lots of stickers from my alert set on Thinkorswim UPST is a good short. Below pre-market low, I go short. This is not good. Most probably I will lose here. Remember I said that, yeah, this is a long. Yeah, there you go, CCL. I'm closing my trade on Qs. Yeah, I have a more important trade now. I just want to have focus on. So we are getting a bounce. We'll see. So we have 20 cents on $3,600. If it falls below yesterday's close, I will close the trade. This looks like a clear S2 R3 S3 R3 trade. So the next 30 seconds is decision making situation. So we have UPST, ZIM, JD, Microsoft, NEO, ABBV, Becky, UAL. Travel company to the upside. So from travel company, I'm going long on CCL. We'll see that what happens next couple of minutes. So there you go. This would be my first stop. This should rip. I don't like that it doesn't go. I don't like this short. This sells. Let me sell 1,000 of my shares, 1,500 of my shares. There you go. Okay, so as I said, the SPY is coming in. Let's go for a BHOD. There you go. Come to Papa. 800 shares in SPY. I'm reading all of these shorts getting destroyed out of the position. $16.36. Let's pull back up. Let's go. So what I don't like about CCL is it's not going, and this means, yeah, Qs are a rejecting situation. I'm lowering my risk on SPY. I'm selling, let's see the stop, So it's 70 cents. I will sell 600 of my shares to lower my risk. I mean, we are literally going. At 100 I will sell 600 of them and realize my loss. 447.50 is a key number, which we are 20 cents below, 25 cents below. Okay, we are on the move. I'm on 36. We are back up here. I'm going to sell 600 of my shares. See, these are this huge chunk of, these are big orders. You don't see them, but they are huge orders. Okay, there you go. Here it comes. Sell market 600 of these shares. Motherfucker, didn't let me. This is typical. Look at on top of R4, and we have failed yet to get a new high. In next 20 seconds we will have the fate of this candle. Five seconds. Okay, so I reduced my risk to standard level. Now what I'm going to do, so my stop was down here. Setting to break even to prevent any unexpected pullbacks. 30 cents in profit. Qs, on the other hand, Qs are reaching to R4. They're gonna be a little bit of pullback. I'm gonna sell 17 shares of Qs and updating my position to 160. I'm 1 hour in profit. What is the 177, and I have to leave to go to doctor, so oh crap. So 1 hour in profit. Let me fix my, yeah, there you go. Okay, Qs are okay, be good. I set it up here, so if it pulls back, I'm good. So as I said, Apple, it looks like a good long. Apple now is not a good long anymore, because the point to go in was down here 26, and now we're 40 cents higher. I don't want to get in too late. Hold on. I'm seeing a little bit of pullback, but this pullback is normal. Alright, I have to go. I have to stop the stream here. The worst case scenario, I'm locking profit, right? I'm locking profit, and actually I'm going to lower even. I'm going to sell 69 shares of SPY here, 69, just 200. So I have just 200 shares on SPY. I'm literally setting in profit, setting everything in profit, and okay, so 447. If 447 pulls back, okay, it didn't. I will sit on 19, 20 cents lower. I will get out, but we'll see. I'm too close to stop though. It may pull back and wick me out. Anyhow, so I'm 1 hour in profit. It could be a little bit of move. I close at 1 full hour Qs at 1 full hour, and so we let the SPY trade works out, right? So I didn't have any proper preparation, but just played my strategy. This is how I played CCL. I didn't like CCL break. Look at this, it moved, and it now is at the first target that we had. This was my stop. This was my stop. So far we have 1 hour and a half, and voila. Apple, this was my Apple. Apple would be this. This would be the entry. This would be the entry, and obviously R4 sits as in 1 hour, and then the rest continues to go. JPM still struggling. This is a bad breakout, and I'm happy that I didn't go long here. Although my long was like 40 cents lower. No, from HOD 80 cents lower. Apple broke. SPY is pulling back. You know what? I'm not gonna do this. I sit back on 1 hour. I sit back on 1 hour. I set my stop at 4 hour, at 3 hour. I'm seeing today if it wants to rip, it will rip to close to 49.85, $1 higher. Let me set this order. 489. 489. 449.85. Okay, so my maximum profit would be 3 hour on this one. All right, so I gotta go, and yeah. All right, you have a good one. It was a very quick stream. It took 18 minutes. I'm already in half hour on realize is 2 hour, net is less. I'm 1 hour in profit, and you will see if this one works. If this one works, I will have 447, 448 for $1 more. I will have another hour as profit. If not, I will be, no, this one should be setting profit. Otherwise I will be, yeah, otherwise I will be in 30 cents, 60, almost half hour. If this one drops below $100, I close it. Yeah, too late. Okay, I didn't like that 448 didn't break. Actually, I need to have liquid how to liquidate my account. Panic. Okay, I'm setting a key I need for trades, and in trades I want to liquidate the account. Panic, liquidate the account. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Panic. Alright, so this will commit. Alright, so I just designed a panic account so I can easily close everything instantly when I'm at certain level. So you can see that JPM is pulling back to VWAP, and probably it's gonna crack VWAP and go to the downside today. Because it shows the weakness at HOD, it didn't go higher much up, and Apple is still ripping. And as I said, that my entry would be 166.25. It was at 50 when I said that I could still go in, but I didn't. Qs are not showing promise, although Apple is ripping. Let me quickly check Microsoft. What the heck? Why is so slow? So Microsoft wouldn't be able, I wouldn't be able to trade Microsoft today, especially that it has a couple of, actually Microsoft, the first signal that it gave today, the first separation, and then a break, and then to the upside. I'm happy that I didn't close my SPY trade. AFRM with no signal just started to rip, just dropping. Going. My favorite Futu no signal today. Well, so 212 today. It could be 212 to the upside. No signal. There is one signal here. Stop down here, but we'll see what happens. PDD is another one. No signal, and then just ripping. All right. So Qs are ripping. As I said, that it looks bullish. Yeah, there you go. We got a break, and now. Here is the stop of, here is my technical stop. I don't want anything less than this. And 1.5 hour, no, sorry, half hour, like 70.7 hour here. So far, half hour now. We'll see what happens now. 448 kept it and didn't break, then crack. Struggling here now. Qs are pulling back a little bit, and I don't see a good. It's a little bit indecisive. At HOD breakup yesterday, we have this situation with AFRM, and I didn't get to check lots of stocks today. I was checking my email. Pardon. Okay, so then there is a Neo. I don't like Neo at all. I don't want to touch Neo. Neo is nuts. I don't want to do anything with Neo. As I say, and it's nuts. Look at this. What are you gonna do with this? What you gonna do? Beke. Beke is a good short. It's a 2-2 reversal though. It's a 2-2 reversal. On a weekly basis, we have a 3 here, so it's an indecisive situation. You guys say, speaking of motherboard issues, look at this. This could crack hard from here. I protect more profit. Okay, let me see. Below whatever that is low of this candle, I don't want to be in. It should break from here because it did the lower shadow. Now it needs to move up. If it makes lower shadows, I don't want to be in it. We have UAL. Okay, CCL is still struggling. CCL, I'm happy that what I did up here, I mean, my stuff would be like what, 50 cents higher. My size was huge. I went in with 2,990, so almost 3,000. UAL no entries so far. JD is a bullish situation, so this would be actually a good long. This would be a good long for JD. Like I'm looking at it's a 3 obviously, but I'm looking at a continuation, right? I'm looking at the continuation. I'm looking at the 2-2 continuation here, so to go on FTFC. Yeah, we go on FTC. I don't know what's happening with monthly. Heavy pullback on Qs, it's a bad sign. I will make a painless exit on Qs, but it's not going anywhere though. The next one, the next 2 minutes, a 1.5 minute gonna be in decision making situation. If it collapses, I'm out, but if not, we're gonna go. Hold on a second. Okay, it looks like I'm out. Yeah, it's gonna be a collapse. So let me explain this once again. Now I'm weak out. It's gonna rip. Apple is ripping. Apple is about to break HOD. I'm happy. I did 1.5 hour. I'm happy I did. The only thing is Q's short was a mistake, but I realized my mistake. Let me post on Twitter. Okay, so there is not much for me to show here. As I said, that it's gonna collapse. It's falling back now. It's probably gonna reach down to here and then pull back. Probably. This is just typical behavior. I'm not predicting. This is just normally what happens. Look, there is a level of consolidation here. It broke out, it pulls back, touches, and then rips to the upside. Continues to go to the upside. Although if it rips through and it comes to the other side of it, it means that this was a rejection and it go to the downside. Then it becomes a good short to the downside. But although I don't have crystal ball to short it up here with the idea, oh, I know what's gonna happen in future and gonna go to oblivion. No, I don't know. When levels break, I would know. Yeah. The music lower. Okay, we will see. As I said, Apple gonna break, and Apple broke. Voila, it was up here when I was talking. I was watching on the other monitor. So I don't know why I didn't get a message about AFRM. I said a message that when it reaches up here, you remember when it reaches up here above this, I would get a message. I didn't, so I'm not gonna touch this now. And I'm happy I'm not touching this. The spread is sucks. Spread is ugly. Spread is sucks. What kind of English is this? Spread sucks. So here on AMD, it looks like, let me see bigger picture. It looks like we have a Ripper. Yeah. All right, so we said to break even. Yeah, there you go. 10 cents in profit, and yeah, this is a one trade. Even if it pulls back now, which I don't think it's gonna. Oh, SPY, you bastard! Apple is still ripping. Let me set this. AMD is going for BHOD. R2 is ahead. We will see that if it closes above R2. For me, if it closes above R2, not touches and pulls back, if it closes above R2, for me it would be a good sign of this is a foot. Look at this. Like you see people are getting destroyed and coming in anticipation of a breakout. SPY is ripping. There you go. SPY is ripping. Qs are continuation. They made a 3 on the top and they're going. Apple is still ripping. You remember down here I said long and then it's going. And AMD is okay in 30 seconds. This is decision making situation. Instantly I will close this trade if it closes lower R2. If it closes above, on the other hand, I might add. Yeah, half R wouldn't be bad. Let me panic close. I'm gonna try my panic close. 53 is above. SPY close above. Everything is going. I'm fine. I'm not gonna close this thing. Let me just do this. 5, this and this. And my out would be yesterday's high. Yep, SPY is breaking. All right, so I'm good. Let me actually at the top, we take 83 off. All right, we good. This trade never saw even 1 cent off, and stop of this trade was $200. So we are almost won already. All right, I gotta go. I'll close everything and come back and have a session. I'm gonna have a come back a session later, and this is how we make like instantly live, right? Have a good one.